people ask me, Rian, what is the difference between dirty bulk and clean bulk? Well, the difference is pretty easy. Stupid, smart. Stupid, smart. Why would you ever do a dirty bulk? You know this bulk, like they have titties and big guts, like fuck, you know? Dirty bulk is the stupidest, laziest thing that you can do. Why? Because it means that you don't track your calories, or you don't even need to track your calories, but like you don't care about your health, okay? You think that all calories are equal, but there is some food who have empty calories and some dense food, okay, when they have real nutrient, okay? Like for example, donut is like empty calories, meat is like dense calories, and yeah, you're just lazy. You're just lazy, like you just want to eat and you don't have any self-control, okay? And with clean bulk, it means like, okay, in your life, you're professional. You know, there's a professional and there's the amateur in life, okay? So you're professional, okay, this is a clean bulk. I'm going to do this. I'm gonna get a little bit fatter, you know, like now I'm a little bit fatter. Yeah, I can guarantee you when I'm 7% body fat, you're gonna be crazy. You think I'm on juice. So, just a little bit fatter, you know, just a little bit, just between, so that you're between 10% and 50% body fat, okay, just this range. And then, okay, you train hard, you sleep very well, and you eat pretty good, you know, and you're professional. And obviously, once you're professional in small things, you're professional on the big things. So it reflects on you. Because when I see a guy who's doing dirty bulk, instantly I know this guy is not professional. Okay, this is just fitness, but it relates to everything in his life. His relationship with his woman, if he has one. His relationship with business, if he has one. His relationship with his job, if he has one. Okay? And then you can see the type of person, you know. Because now I'm on clean bulk right now. Clean bulk, it's pretty good because you can feel the power through your muscle. However, you're not like tired. Because let me tell you, the guys who do dirty bulk are tired as fuck. They're like this and you know, and yeah, no. You gotta be really good every time in life, okay? You gotta be really good. So yeah, that's why clean bulk, it's always and will always be better than dirty bulk for your health on the long term and also on the short term, okay? Because you don't want to be a sloppy guy, okay? You want to be like really energetic all of the time. So that's why clean bulk for me is like the professional and the amateur. This is how you recognize a professional and amateur in his life, not just the fitness, but in his whole life. So here's the thing. Now, you're gonna probably say, okay, but what if I don't know how to do clean bulk? What if you don't know how to do clean bulk? You just inform yourself. You research on YouTube, okay? We're on YouTube right now. You research on YouTube, okay, how to do a clean bulk. What's the dense food that there is? What the dense food that there is out there? Okay, there's meat, there's eggs and milk, there's this. Okay, now you make your recipient. Okay, boom, easy as, you know. Just don't need to eat that much and, you know, then you be sloppy. No, don't need this. Okay, so quick video again. I just want to try some new video, you know, to see if short video perform better than long video. Okay, so I hope you love this video and like, subscribe, comment, and send this video to your friends who's doing dirty bulk or he's fat so he can learn too. So see you soon, guys.